Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get crosshair, small dot crosshair in the finals. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. So as you can see here, it's quite good and quite centered, and it's really easy to get it. Right, so the first thing what you need to do here, you just need to open up Steam. You need to open up Steam, and then you need to go to Crosshair V2 and add to your Steam account, and then just run it. And then on the top right corner you should get a Crosshair V2 basically a menu, and then you can change with the Z. I can change the color, then I can change the shape of my crosshair, and also I can change the size here. So you can see here there's a lot of size that I can choose. And also what you can do here as well, if your center dot, if your dot crosshair is not in the middle, with your keyboard arrows you can change your position. So first, just I will show you with my crosshair. As you can see here, it's in the middle, but if it's not, I can then I need to go to settings, and then I can, as you can see here, change the position of my dot crosshair. And then once you set up your crosshair, you just need to go to settings, go to gameplay, then turn off the opacity and enjoy the normal crosshair. And of course, if it's not working for you, crosshair V2, then you need to change, for example, if you're using full screen, try to use windowed full screen or windowed mode, and then it should work for you. And then you will have normal crosshair. So yeah, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.